Jody, I'm starving. I heard there's a new dumpling place in Castro Valley Marketplace. Do you want to go try? All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Let's go try. Jody, come on, Jody. I'm starving. Oh my God, Jody, look, they're so cute. Look, oh my God, it's one of the dumplings. And wow, so cute. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, look how many food I have. I don't even know what to start with. Let's see if the shrimp dumplings are good. Oh my God, look how many food I have. I have so many, I don't even know what to start. Let's start with the shrimp dumpling. I am so excited for it. Oh, moves around. Look, it's so pretty. It's very, very pretty. Let's see if it's good. So juicy. The shrimp tastes so fresh. I love it. I love it. I really like it. But I don't know what that is, Jody.
Which one?
Do you know? This one?
Oh, this is sticky rice shumai. There's pork and mushroom in it.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's give it a try. It's very sticky for sure. Can you tell how sticky it is? It's really good. This basket has the most stuff in it. Jolie, what is this?
Oh, there's a sesame brisket and there's a dry pork in it.
And what are those? Fried wonton?
So there's a fried wonton, the pork and shrimp, and the sesame ball and wrapping in it. And we got the veggie spring roll.
Veggie spring roll.
We also got the sweet sour sauce for it.
Okay, let's try a veggie spring roll. I'm just gonna use my hand. Wow. The sauce, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. So crunchy. I love it. So good. I have barbecue pork now, and you can tell. You can tell. Oh, so yummy, so pretty. Let's give it a try. It's sweet. It has tangy barbecue flavor in it. And the flowers, the bao itself is very, very soft. I really like it. Okay, this cute guy, what is this?
It's egg custard bao.
Oh, egg custard, okay. Oh wow, can you tell? Oh my God, I'm dripping. It's sweet and salty at the same time. You can taste the yolk. So good. So good. Cheers. So good. Now let's try this bento box. This bento box has a little bit of everything. I'm hoping the chow mein will be as good as the black bean noodle. Let's try. I've heard so many good words about their chow mein. some shrimp. Wow. Jody, smell it. It's so good, huh? Okay, let's mix it. I'm a little bit nervous. Let's try this egg tart. I really like egg tart in general. Let's see if this one is good. The shell is very crunchy, and the inner part is really creamy. It's really good. Jody, we ate them all.
Yeah.
But I still want more. Oh wow! What is it? Wow! Oh, wow! Okay, now visit Castro Valley Dumpling Express. You can get 2 free spring rolls. Just say Maggie at checkout.